Yo, hopefully the mic didn't get that too loud. What it do, YouTube? We are back. Hopefully y'all see this one on a Wednesday right after the one I just finished. The rain, as you can see, and my goggles are fogging like a motherfucker. But the rain, as you can see, is going down. It snowed, so it's not even looking that good. But I'm gonna go around the back way I just came from, and we're gonna keep riding in the trails. We're gonna stay lit. And if you're new here, hit that like, hit that comment, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all when we get to ride. I miss these, man. I've really been thinking about getting a 250, because I got the little wheel of the 150 now, so I gotta shift gears. I can't even. Woo. Hey. Is that like a hunter's thing? Right there, you see that shit? Looks like a hunter thing, right? I don't know. Someone comment about that. Hey! Oh, shit, my face just got soaked. My face just got soaked. Oh, this shit is deep. Oh, nah. You know what? Let me bring it back up. Nah, I'm not even gonna do it. That shit look too deep, too long. Plus it's cold as shit. I'm gonna just ride on the right side. All right, let's get it. Hey. Ah. Oh shit. Oh. Hey. I missed this shit, man. Last week I dropped some shitty. I made some shitty ass content. I didn't even want to drop it because it was so ass. And I was not happy, man. Not happy at all with that shit. I didn't want to give y'all some corny shit. That's why I didn't drop no bike content last week. Maybe back at first. Ah! Oh my god, that shit's deep. I'm like in fucking. Don't kill me on this one. I feel like I'm in enduro right now. Hey. Ooh. Fuck. Oh. Yeah. Oh shit! Almost bust my ass. All right, let me chill out. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, my feet are soaked. Fuck. Oh. All right. Let me I'm gonna cut the camera here because I gotta ride slow. As you can see, it's no trespassing. I don't want to disrespect no one's grass or nothing, so I'm gonna ride slow and I'll get y'all when we get back to the other side or whatever. Hold on, let me put the shit in neutral. All right, let's get it. Oh shit, worm. Hold on. All right, let's get it. Come on. Woo. Oh. Get the shit out that tree. I can't even shit. Oh. Alrighty. Can we make it up this hill? It's wet as fuck out here, man. Come on. Come on, baby. There you go. Fuck. My thing is, I don't want to go too deep. That means I gotta come through that other side. Alright, yeah, we'll do that then. Hey, fuck it. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go. That's where Manny got stuck at. Right over there. I don't know if y'all can see. Right there. Alright, let's go to the other side real quick. Alright. What I'll do is, actually, we're not going to the other side. We'll call the video here. And we'll make our last video at the other side of the trails. And then we'll make one more video to come back or whatever, okay? So I'll see y'all in the next one. Hit that like, hit that comment, or comment in that comment section if you're new here. Hit that subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace and love.